What is going on? Today I made $2,500 and I took one very nice trade. Actually took three trades, so I'll talk about one trade that I took. Really great trade. But that's my cat over there, and I have no idea what she's doing. But let me get to the screen. So little over $2,500. It could have been a bigger day, but it was the first trading day of the year, and I just wanted to take it and call it a day. So I traded SPX today, but I was watching SPY's chart, so I'll break down my SPX trade on the chart here, and the reason why I took the trade. And so the entry was right over here. Right. So the first one thing that I'll tell you is like what works for me. I like to have 200 moving average on a 5-minute chart, and the 200 moving average is right here. And this is just a normal moving average, simple moving average, 200. And I watch that moving average very closely. It's usually very big. It's just like on a 60-minute chart, if you look at QQQs, we had a 200 moving average approaching and we rejected. And if we see on a bigger scale, 200 moving average is usually a big support or resistance level, be it SPY or be it QQQs, whatever it is. Like today, we failed and we fell down. Usually a big support or resistance level, doesn't matter what the time frame is, usually it's a big level and I like to watch it. So if there's a trade approaching, I will take profit around 200 moving average, and then if I have to re-enter again, I'll wait for a retest, and that's where I usually will enter if I have to still take the downside. But anyway, I had these levels set up in the pre-market, and I was looking at this level, but I didn't want to take this level just because I didn't want to take this level because of the 200 moving average sitting right there. So I was like, okay, let it break below, and then if it retests this, I'll take it. Now just look at this for a minute. We have pre-market low right here, right? This is the pre-market low. We have 200 moving average. We have my level right here, right? We have my level. So there's a lot of things that I have a confluence. A lot of things are sitting at the same price point. So basically I like to call it as a huge level or a huge zone where I can enter, because there's a lot of things happening in that little zone. Because I had a level, 200 moving average, pre-market low, and now everything broke. And now everyone knows this, right? When a level breaks, let it retest and you can take a play. It retested right here. That was where my entry was. So beautiful trade, beautiful entry, perfect entry actually. And then took a little bit of profits here. Like there was, I think, I was on the voice with my team, and it's a free Discord if you want to join. Check the link down below. So I said small entry in SPX, and there was somewhere around here 10.03 as I wrote, and there was, if you look at 10.03, there was 10.03 somewhere here. So I was getting in around these areas, and I took my profit a little bit here, and then the profit taken was because 380 was approaching, and on the level 2 I could see there was a lot of buyers sitting there, so took my profit around here. So this was one trade that made me, I was actually down 3k in the morning from the two trades that I took. One was my broker started playing up, which I gotta follow up with them, but the second play I'll show you as well, which I think was a $1,000 loss. But this was the play that actually made me, this is $2.50 move on SPY, and if you trade SPY, you already know that this is a big move, and SPY pays, especially when you're trading SPX contract. This was a move that put me green on the day and helped me make $2,500. The trade that actually costed me $1,000 this morning was Meta. So on Meta, I took this trade because first I'll show you why I was watching it. I was watching this because we were breaking this zone on the top. It was like a zone every time we came in there, and we rejected, and we broke this zone in the morning like right at the market open in the pre-market, right at the market open, it pushed. Then I'm like, okay, this zone broke. Let me enter around the VWAP right here. So this is what this is what it looked like. I'm like, let me enter if it retested the VWAP, and it was about to retest the VWAP, and I entered and it didn't hold, so I exited somewhere around here. Entered some 125, exited 124.7. By the time I got out, I was down like $1,000. And after that, I just waited and I traded SPY, which I just showed you, SPX. As soon as this retest, entry till here, and it was a beautiful trade. I hope this quick breakdown helped. If it did, just throw it a thumbs up so I know that I'm planning to make a breakdown video every single day for the whole year. But let me know, just hit the thumbs up so I know that you're watching it. I hope this was helpful. I hope you learned a thing or two, and I'll see you in the tomorrow breakdown video. Thank you. Talk to you later. Bye.